Welcome to our video on Step 1B of Send to Amazon flow that saves you time by simplifying Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, shipment creation. In this video, you'll learn steps to provide box content information and pack individual units from Step 1 of the workflow. You won't see this step on Seller Central's Send to Amazon page if you already provided box content information for all your SKUs using the case pack templates in Step 1. Once you've confirmed the quantity of individual units to send to Amazon, we determine which SKUs can be packed together based on whether they require special handling at our fulfillment centers. For example, SKUs that are categorized as dangerous goods or hazmat can't be packed with other SKUs. That's because dangerous goods are shipped to special fulfillment centers that can receive them safely. Two other factors that determine which SKUs can be packed together are product weights and dimensions. Also, oversized SKUs can't be packed with standard-sized SKUs. That's because oversized SKUs can only be received at specialized fulfillment centers. Finally, SKUs that require prep or labeling to be performed by Amazon shouldn't be packed with SKUs that are already prepped and labeled. This ensures that boxes containing SKUs that don't require Amazon to prep or label them aren't unnecessarily sidelined at the fulfillment center and can be made available to customers sooner. Once your pack groups are determined, you'll be prompted to provide box content information for the SKUs in each pack group. In this example, inventory has been sorted into two pack groups. You can pack SKUs in a pack group in any combination. However, you shouldn't mix SKUs from one pack group with SKUs from another pack group. If all units in a pack group fit into one box, select Everything will fit into one box and click Confirm. Then enter the box weight and dimensions and click Confirm Packing Information. If the units in a pack group will be packed in more than one box, select Multiple boxes will be needed and click Confirm. Next, provide packing information for your multiple boxes. From the drop-down menu, you have three options. The Enter through a web form option lets you enter box content information individually using a web form. The Upload Excel file option lets you efficiently upload box content information in bulk. The Amazon Manually Processes Box Contents option lets you choose to outsource this step and have Amazon provide this service for a per-unit fee. Select Enter through a web form if you have less than 12 units. Next, enter the estimated number of boxes and click Open Web Form. Then enter your box content information. Here, you'll enter the units boxed, box weight, and box dimensions. Then click Confirm Packing Information. For more guidance, click Instructions or Need Help in the top right corner. Select Upload Excel file to efficiently upload box content information in bulk. Then enter the estimated number of boxes that the SKUs in a pack group will fit into. Next, click Generate Excel file. Download the template and open the file in Excel. For each box, enter the number of units of each SKU that you'll be packing in that box. Make sure that the quantity of units in the boxes for each SKU is equal to the expected quantity of SKUs in that box. Next, enter the box weight and dimensions. As you pack, mark your boxes as Pack Group 1 Box 1, Pack Group 1 Box 2, and so on. This will help you match the right FBA box ID label to each box in Step 3, Print Box Labels. After you're done packing your shipping boxes and entering the information in the Excel file, save the file and upload it to Send to Amazon by clicking Upload and Validate File. We understand that as you pack your boxes, you might want to change the quantity of certain SKUs to account for damaged inventory or to optimize the space inside one or more boxes. You can do so by going back to Step 1 and updating the quantity of SKUs that you want to send. When you're done, proceed to Step 1B. Note that the pack groups can change when you add or remove SKUs in Step 1. Make sure that you re-upload the box content information for updated pack groups. After you provide box content information for all pack groups, click Confirm and Continue to proceed to the next step. This concludes the instructional video for Step 1B, pack individual units. In the next step, we'll determine the optimal location for your boxes to be sent so they're as close to your customer